Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for the month of October 2021. In this video, I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies, okay? So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. And if this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, please, okay? So let's get started with your reading. To book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Alright, let's see. So what's there for my Pisces, October 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign. Pisces energies, please. Pisces. Okay. So at the back of the deck, we have the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Okay, so things might not be going according to your plans. You might be wanting something else to happen and something else happens. Okay, so you might be dealing with bad luck right now. You might be feeling that all the good luck has been given to someone else. I'm the bad luck. I'm always getting the bad fortune. You know, fortune never favors me. It's not like that actually, okay? So it's just the process, it's just the thought which you are making. You know, the more negative manifestation you will give to yourself, the more negative will come to you. But you are not negative, honestly. In the past, we have Nine of Cups, Knight of Swords in reverse with the Four of Swords in reverse. You had lots and lots of wishes in the past. It looks like whenever you wished for something, the opposite happened to you. And that is the reason you started manifesting the negative to you, because you always asked. It's like, you know, I asked for happiness, but the universe gave me sadness. So I started manifesting sadness, because whenever you told, okay, I want this, no, but I know that nothing will happen. I know that things will be opposite. At the same time, you are manifesting the wrongs towards you. At present, it's 10 of Wands in reverse, Page of Cups in reverse and Page of Wands in reverse. It's a feeling of no love. It's a feeling of no passion. You need to dump a lot of things, like, you know, a lot of heaviness which you are carrying from past so many years or so many months. You really need to dump them in present only. Okay, Pisces, I'm going to clarify your cards because your reading is really different. In the coming future, we have the High Priestess in reverse, the Emperor in reverse with the Three of Cups. I am really getting a very beautiful month of October for you, because you feel like the more happiness you always wanted, happiness is coming to you, Pisces, okay? So do not blame the universe or your fortune or your luck, whatever. It's there. It will always be there for you. Let's clarify now. Why the Wheel of Fortune is here in reverse, please, for my Pisces. Page of Cups in reverse, Six of Wands in reverse and the Page of Pentacles. You feel that you are in a place where either the other person is not putting a lot of affection and a lot of commitment in the situation, or you are the one who is not able to put that commitment in that situation. You feel weak somewhere. You feel that you have lost. You haven't even started, my dear friend. Okay, it's just a feeling of losing. But losing of what? Okay, so you haven't lost anything yet. So it's like the universe is trying to give you some hints. If the things are happening bad, the universe wants to give you some hint. If the things are happening good, that is also a hint. Okay, so you have to take all the hints from the universe and then only just feel because you are feeling that you are losing, but you are losing nothing. All right, so tell me more about the Knight of Swords in reverse in the past energies. You felt weak somewhere in the past only. Seven of Wands in reverse, Knight of Pentacles, the Emperor. Things were slow. You were not able to take a stand of yourself. A lot of you might be around a lot of negativity. A lot of issues might be going on. It could be because of finances, low finances. It could be because of some kind of a pressure from from your boss, from a person who is who is really in ranks, who can be higher than you, or a family hierarchy, a father. You were being dominated in the past. So these all things are making somewhere, you had that in your heart somewhere, that things have always been like this. I wanted to explore, I wanted to live a life, but everyone always used to dominate me. Domination was there no matter. Yes, I agree with that, but you do not have to stop. If things are not going your way, never stop. Just keep on going, trust the universe, because universe is actually thinking about you. Nine of Cups. And first the Nine of Cups came in the upright position, now in the reverse position. So you started losing faith. You stopped putting energies, putting happiness in your things. Whenever you did something, you were never happy, because you felt that, okay, I'm happy. If I will become happy, if I'll become excited too much, it will be taken away from me. And by that only you started manifesting the negatives towards you. Tell me more about the Ten of Wands in reverse. The High Priestess in reverse, Four of Swords and Three of Wands. You might be distant from your family, from your person, from somebody. Okay, you are in traveling also. You might be there, but whenever you travel, you always feel like, I'm not happy. I don't know, but why I'm really getting some not good vibes, because you are at a resting place. You always feel not good about you. I don't know why, but you feel that things are not happening for your interest. It's just happening. Let's check more energies. Page of Cups in reverse at present. What is at present? I really want to know the present energies, please. Okay, see, the Magician is here. I was talking about the manifestation, and the Magician appeared. Four of Wands in reverse and the Eight of Swords in reverse. See, you're manifesting a bad marriage. Are you manifesting a bad relationship? Okay, so this is not going to work. It will never work. It will never work. Obviously, it will never work if you are manifesting that. Do not manifest, please. Only then you will feel free. Okay, stop manifesting the bad. It will stop coming to you. Okay, Page of Wands in reverse, Two of Pentacles in reverse, Seven of Swords in reverse, and the Page of Wands in reverse again. Two Page of Wands in reverse. It's a lack of creative energy. It's a lack of doing something. When your energies do not, you feel like, okay, fine, I do not care whatever I'm doing. I'm just continuing my life the way it is. Please, you have to stop that. Let's see what is coming up in the near future for you. The High Priestess in reverse for my Pisces, please. Why the High Priestess is in reverse is here for my Pisces? The Hermit, Knight of Wands, and the Strength. Wow. So you are becoming really beautiful inside out, my dear Pisces. It's a time where you really need to rest for some time. You might be needing that rest, but you will be having again that energy we were talking about, with a lot of strength and courage again. Okay, if you are not having that right now, you have to work on that strength and courage. That is why this card is here. You have to work on yourself. Do not wait for the universe to make it work for you. It's only you who will help yourself for that. The Emperor in reverse. Why the Emperor in reverse is here? Ace of Swords, Seven of Cups in reverse, and the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, so the bad things will end. Okay, so if you are thinking that anywhere you have always been dominated by someone, so things will become reverse for you, the situation will become reverse for you. You will be, if you will be feeling unstable somewhere, unstable, you will be feeling that you're confused, everything is coming towards light. Okay, the fog is disappearing in the month of October for you, my dear Pisces. It's really going to help because of the courage which you have. You have to stay strong, you cannot be weak. People around you, okay, just be, trust some people around you. Do not be like, I'm not going to trust anyone. No, friends are good. Enjoy, go and celebrate, go for a vacation with your friends, with your partner, somebody. Okay, do not feel so low. The world in reverse, Ace of Pentacles and Sun in reverse. Things will change. Okay, transformation will be coming for your good value, for your good end. But I really feel that new energies are coming your way, Pisces. It's your big transformation. It's you being happy the way you always wanted to be. Okay, Pisces, so that is all from my side and I hope that helps. So we'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye.